double roller extrusion granulation line is for dry compound fertilizer production. It mainly includes systems for batching, mixing, granulation, and packing. Step 1. Batch various raw materials based on the set ratio to ensure the accuracy and uniformity of the fertilizer formula in compound fertilizer production. Step 2. Blend weighed raw materials continuously and evenly. Step 3. Feed mixed materials into granulator via conveyor. Step 4. Extrude materials into ideal granular 3 to 8 mm sizes one time. Step 5. Separate the unqualified products from the qualified ones. The unqualified will be for regranulation, while the qualified will be into the packing system. Step 6. Palletize bagged compound fertilizers for easy transportation and storage. This system adopts automatic control and monitoring, and the produced granules do not require drying or cooling, making the entire production line simple, cost-effective, and efficient.